bugs me when it seems as though everybody is looking at the wrong thing in a circumstance. I get that Trump's plan to resurface the reflecting pool in front of the Washington Monument is a waste of money at a time when there are other far more important things that he might be focused on. I get that. And I get that it was kind of funny when he said, let's make it blue like in Florida. And somebody said, this is in Florida, sir. And then he went ahead and did it anyway. And now, there's a problem with the blue that they're using, and there's going to be algae, so it's going to turn green. So it's going to be what he, but it's a reflecting pool. It requires a black surface to properly reflect the Washington Monument as the architect, the artist, the creator intended. Nobody has had the courage to say to this man, we can't change it to blue because it ruins the effect. Because you misunderstood the very concept of the thing, as you prove every time you call it a pond. The opposite of vulgarity is culture. We are being ruled by vulgarians now. My heart breaks for those whose work is being left behind, ignored, destroyed, damaged, demolished. This is the time that artists must do their best work, must do work so shining that it affects people, even those who are not academically trained to recognize why it affects them in this way. And now, as the entertainment institutions bow to the will of the master, completely giving up any commitment to artistic excellence, leaning only into the profitability of the greatest number of eyeballs, and also, as I was told in a meeting, we don't want any of your woke stuff, Dylan. They didn't say that. He said, I don't want to see any more of your woke shit, Dylan. Right now, we're looking for white men with big guns. Saw a beautiful, original, wholly independent film called Group, The Schopenhauer Effect. An old friend, Jack Lechner, was among the producers. And I was reminded that people are still making good work. As I'm putting up my new solo show, I'm doing it in a small black box theater because now is the time that people must gather in dark rooms to have the important conversations, to say the things that networks and studios will not support. All right, I love you all. Let's get back to the workshop. And who came in with anything they're looking to read today?